Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Afterpay for the first time. So if you're interested, let's start a tutorial. So you might be asking or wondering, how do you actually use Afterpay for the first time? Well, you could shop with your preferred stores from the shop directory and opt for Afterpay as your payment method during checkout. Now, you users should create an Afterpay account for an instant approval decision, while returning customers can log in to complete their purchase. Now, for online orders, the retailer will ship the goods post checkout, and for in-store shopping, use the Afterpay mobile app and follow the instructions and undergo eligibility checks to set up the Afterpay card for contactless payment via the Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now, next thing you want to do is you need to log into your Afterpay account anytime to view your payment schedule and make payments before the due date. Alternatively, Afterpay automatically deducts funds from your debit or credit card on scheduled payment dates. Now, there's a few things that you should note here is that Afterpay doesn't approve all orders to ensure responsible spending. Approvable factors include your history with Afterpay, successful order payments, available funds for the first installment, the duration of Afterpay usage, the order value, and the number of open orders. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.